welcome to Twitter ZM, and in this video, we're going to be looking at some pretty interesting questions that I found in an A-level mathematics book uh, over a simple topic, which indices, and then I just want to go over how we basically solve some harder indices questions, and I'm sure probably you didn't know that such questions exist and how to go about them. So let's say we've been given 2x squared plus 2 to the power 2 minus x, and then is equal to 5. So right off the gate, when you look at this question, the first thing that we think of is how can I use logarithms. Probably I can use logarithms to find the value of x, but it's not in every scenario where we have to apply the concept of logarithms. It can be solved by just simply basically manipulating the numbers that we have here. So how can we solve it? By manipulating the numbers here. So let's make our life easier and say this is 2x plus. Now let me just rearrange the power. So the power is here, so this will become negative x plus 2. I just want to make my life easier and say it's equal to 5. So this is 2x, and then without breaking any mathematical laws, this is 2 to the power x being multiplied by negative 1, and then this is also the multiplication of 2. Yeah, this is just 2 to the power 2, and then all this is being equal to 5. So notice how I manipulated this, that such that this expression, by using laws of indices, will get me back to the one on top, because 2 to the power 2 to the power x multiplied by negative 1 is negative x, and then when we are multiplying it by 2 to the power 2, this is going to be just basically we will maintain the base, which is 2. Let me just show that aside. We maintain the base 2, and then we're going to have negative x plus 2. Yeah, so I haven't broken any laws mathematically. Yeah, I haven't done anything like that. So now that I've reached such a point, I can notice that I've got 2x and 2x. The whole point is having the same coefficient 2x appearing twice, and then let me equate 2x to y. Let me make 2x something like y, and then so this is going to be y plus y to the power negative 1. This was times, obviously that's times 4, is equal to 5. Now that I reach this point, I can solve. This is the same as y plus 4 over y being equal to 5. Yeah, so this is over 1. And then once I do that, I'll have y squared plus 4 over y is equal to 5. So this will be y squared plus 4, y squared plus 4 over lowest common denominator, which is y, and then all this is equal to 5 over 1. Then we can simply cross multiply and have y to the power of y squared plus 4 being equal to 5y. And then notice now we've got a quadratic, so this will become y squared minus 5y plus 4. And then as we reach this point, we have to look for a number such that when we multiply, it gives us positive 4, and when we add, we get negative 5. So that's going to be negative 1 and 4 itself, and negative 4. Yeah, so upon reaching this stage, we can factorize, and then this will become y. We remain with y minus 1. So here this side, to have a negative 1, we can remove the negative 4, so that we have y minus 1. Again, 0. Our factors are the same, implying we're on the right track. And then this will become y minus 4. So then our values of y, will have y is equal to 1, comma y is equal to 4. So now that I've got these two values, I can go back. I have y is equals to 1 and y is equals to 4 here. So notice that I said 2x is equal to y, and then I have found y as 1. So this is the same as 1. So any number to the power 0 is 1. So this will become 2 to the power 0. So then my first x will be equal to 0. And then I also found my y as 4. So I can replace that one and have 4. And then this will become 2x. This will become 2 to the power 2. And then I'll obtain my x as 2. So it's not every time that when we see a complicated situation like this one that we have to jump to logs and say x log 2 plus 2 minus x log 2 is equal to the logarithm of 5. Of course we will obtain the same answers as this one, but it's interesting to work around with numbers and see how we can manipulate them to work towards our advantage. Yeah, so if you've enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thank you very much.